Happy birthday, Akanksha. Wishing you a very happy 18th birthday. I still remember the day when you were born. I was in the operation theater at Munshi Hospital, and the doctors had given me anesthesia. I was half asleep, half awake, and they had put a band over my eyes, but I was sneaking through and looking, and that scene is still very clear in my eyes and in my memory, when they had taken you, held you like this up, and I looked at your face, and then I looked at the clock. There was a clock right in front of my face, and the time it showed was, it was late night, early morning, 1:23. So that's how the clock showed me, 1:23. So those scenes are, very afresh in my mind, and it feels like yesterday. Just didn't realize where these 18 years, went by. But each day, each year with you has been so amazing, and seeing you grow and improve each and every year, it has been a very satisfying journey for me as an individual, as a woman, as a mother. So just keep continuing like that. And one thing that I'll say about Akanksha is, what really makes her stand apart is her hard work and dedication. So ever since she was a small kid, I remember the days when she was learning cycling, until the moment she, gained that full confidence that she can ride on her own. She was on it every evening, and the moment she was able to do that, she shouted, "Mama!" And then I went out in the balcony and I saw that, she was able to ride. When we had shifted to Whitefield, we had a monkey ladder there, and she could not, go through one end to the other on her own. But every evening when we used to come back from Nana Nani's house, she used to immediately run to the sand pit. Uh, and until and unless she was able to achieve that, she didn't give up. I quote these incidences today on your special 18th birthday because I want to tell you, Akanksha, that always keep this trait in yourself, because this hard work, sincerity, dedication combined with the love and compassion that you have will take you to amazing heights in your personal and in your professional life. So just keep continue like this, be like this. um, you always take care of others, you always think about others before yourself. So it's just the all these things, just keep continuing, keep building on these, and for sure success will always be yours. So enjoy your day, enjoy your year, and as a special gift on your this 18th birthday, what we thought was to culminate wishes from all your special friends, all family members, all close ones who have been in this journey till now. So we've collected wishes from best possible from whomsoever we could collect. We have collected that, and if my planning and setting all goes well, there is a video in the end wherein, that is more of um, kind of summarizing your entire need journey, and the amount of hard work you put in, and you are so well placed, and for sure going ahead you will always climb up the ladder. Just be as you are, make your own apni hi duniya. Love you.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Akansha. God bless you.
Hi Akansha, happy 18th birthday. You're 18 today, and I'm so happy, yaar. It still feels crazy ki we have been such good friends for like 10 years now. And let me tell you one thing, that you have been that one comforting, calm, and constant girlfriend throughout these years, and I'm really grateful for you. May God bless you with all the success, happiness, and good health. एंड हाँ, ऐसे ही रहना हमेशा। लव यू। होप योर डे इज एज ब्यूटीफुल एज यू आर।
Hey Akansha, so you are finally 18 and it's one of the big milestones you achieve in your life. And you have been always the one I have respected. You have been kind and very strong person. Even though we don't talk every day, but I am glad that we have been in touch over the years. I wish you for the happiness, greatness, and all the success that you get throughout your life. And may this year be the best one yet. So, Akansha, I hope you are having a very wonderful birthday this year. So, ये वीडियो बनाते हुए मैं सोच रहा था कि क्या बोली। सो मैंने एक बात सोची कि हमारी फ्रेंडशिप इतने लॉन्ग टाइम तक कैसे लास्ट करी। तो मैं उसके बाद सिर्फ एक ही कंक्लूजन पे निकल पाया कि तेरी पर्सनालिटी जो इतनी पॉजिटिव है, केयरिंग है, काम है, उसकी वजह से ही हमारी फ्रेंडशिप ये लॉन्ग टाइम पे रह चुकी है। एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज जैसे हम क्लासेस में भी एक साथ रहे थे, फिर हमने नीट की जर्नी भी एक साथ तय करी एंड अभी हम दोनों मेडिकल कॉलेज में आ गए हैं। तो मैं यही होप करता हूँ कि हम फ्रेंडशिप हमारी बनी रहे एंड हम अपने अप्स एंड डाउन सारे शेयर करते रहे। सो एट द लास्ट हैप्पी बर्थडे आकांक्षा एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे। हैप्पी 18th बर्थडे आकांक्षा।
हाय आकांशु, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। 18 इयर्स के अब हो गए हो आप। यूर अ बिग गर्ल। बहुत जल्दी टाइम बीत गया, पता भी नहीं चला। इतना छोटा सा था जब बच्चा को मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा था। बट वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ यू, सो प्राउड ऑफ यू। बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना, बहुत बड़ी सी बढ़िया सी डॉक्टर बनना। एंड हम सबका ड्रीम है आकांक्षा को एक सक्सेसफुल बढ़िया वाला बिल्कुल डॉक्टर देखने का। एंड बस एंजॉय योर लाइफ। 18 इयर्स, बिग गर्ल नाउ, बिग डे फॉर यू। अच्छे से एंजॉय करो और जब मिलेंगे तो बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय और सेलिब्रेट करेंगे इसको। और जो गिफ्ट चाहिए सोच के बता दे, मैसेज कर दे, लिस्ट बना दे, तुझे मिल जाएगा। जब हम मिलेंगे तब मिलेगा, कुरियर नहीं कराऊंगी। जब मिलेगा तब हम आपको, पक्की बात है, वो आपका गिफ्ट यूरा we'll give you that. So enjoy your birthday. Lots of love and blessings. Happy birthday. अब चाचा का टर्न।
Hello Kanshu, many happy returns of the day. I am very proud of you. And I wish कि God gives you all the happiness and joy you deserve. Keep growing and we are very proud of you. Bye. Love you.
माही भी यहाँ पर है और बड़ी जी भी यहाँ पर हैं। तो सबकी तरफ से हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। और मैं जल्दी से नानी से भी विश करवा देती हूँ आपकी। नानी जो कि लेट चुकी है, बस मम्मा वीडियो में बना रहे हैं आकांक्षा को हर डे विश, हर 18th बर्थडे आकांक्षा। ओके बस वीडियो बना रहे हैं। हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। चल बाय बच्चे, एंजॉय, बाय, ब्लेस यू।
हेलो दीदी, हैप्पीएस्ट 18 बर्थडे टू यू। आई होप आपका सब कुछ सही चल रहा हो, आपकी स्टडीज़, आपका मतलब हॉस्टल लाइफ सब सही चल रही हो। मैं आपको बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे। मैं पार्टी में तो नहीं आ पाऊँगी आप जो भी करोगे, बट आप जब हम नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे फॉर श्योर हम बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करेंगे आपका बर्थडे। क्योंकि ऐसा मतलब मैं तो ऐसे रहूँगी नहीं कि आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट ना करें। आप जब आ जाओगे हम बहुत अच्छे से आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। वंस अगेन मैं बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ आपको, तो आई होप हम जल्दी मिलें आपके बर्थडे के बाद। सो एंजॉय योर 18th बर्थडे। बाय बाय, लव यू। Happy birthday, Didu. Wishing you a very happy 18th birthday. My wishes are always with you. And very special happy birthday from all my friends. I hope Mama doesn't misses anyone's name. To start with, Mama's favorite, Whitey, Pom Pom, Bhuri Masi, Munni, Ruhan, Ruhani, Squeaky, Greyu, Softy, Sophie Didi, Buddy Didi, Brownie, and OG Shivam Priorai doggos. All the doggos. from the entire doggo. And although I don't want to include, but yes, even the Catu family, everyone wishes you a very happy birthday. We are all so proud of you, so happy for you, and keep your love and affection for us always the way you have done. We love you. Best wishes. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Akansha. I'm so happy and just still can't believe how fast the time flies. It feels like just yesterday we were in class 10 stressing over board exams and laughing our way through it. And now you are 18. It's such a special milestone, and I'm so proud to see the person you have become. We have made so many great memories together, memories that I'll cherish forever. And through every phase of my life, you have always supported me. You have encouraged me whenever I needed it, and you know, your presence has always felt like a comfort. Your friendship means more to me than words can express. And on your special day, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being my constant support. And thank you for making our journey so beautiful. I hope this year brings you endless happiness, success, and opportunities. May you shine even brighter as you step into adulthood. And once again, happy 18th birthday, Akansha. I love you so much, and I'm always here for you. Happy birthday, Akansha. I wish your dreams get fulfilled and you live the joyful life that God had gifted you. Have a great day ahead. Happy birthday, Akansha. Have a great day ahead. May your life be filled with infinite joy and prosperity, the nice infinite water of ocean.
Happy birthday, Akansha.
हाय एक्सपेक्ट किया था मुझे ऐसे वीडियो में देखना आई डोंट थिंक सो बट एनीवे हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड यार आई मिस यू यार सच्ची लाइक मुझे सच्ची बहुत मन था कि तुम उधर जाओ उससे पहले हम एक बार मिले बट कोई ना आई गेस विल मीट सून तो लेकिन आई रियली होप कि तुम वहाँ पे भी सेटल हो गई होगी एंड तुम्हारे अच्छे अच्छे दोस्त बन गए होंगे सो उनके साथ बर्थडे ज़रूर सेलिब्रेट करना अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करना और फोटोज़ वीडियोज़ ज़रूर भेजना ठीक है विदाउट फेल और वही यार बाकी सब फलाना ढिमकाना जो लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि मे ऑल योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू और बड़ी अच्छी लंबी उम्र जियो तुम और और क्या होता है वही सब बेसिकली और और हमेशा स्माइल करते रहो खुश रहो मुस्कुराते रहो ऐसे 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 अभी जब ऐसे हंस रहे हो ना स्माइल कर रहे हो ना यस दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत लगते हो आप जब आप ऐसे मुस्कुराते हो सो ऑलवेज कीप स्माइलिंग खुश रहो एंड मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब तुम्हारा बर्थडे है इसलिए मैं ये सब विश कर रही हूँ, नहीं नॉर्मली भी मैं ये सब विश करती हूँ तो जब कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन नहीं होता है तभी भी है विश कि तुम्हारे सारे ख्वाब पूरे हो जाए तुम हमेशा खुश रहो हंसते रहो ऐसा नहीं है गलत ना समझ गलत मत समझ बट यस हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड आई मिस यू एंड आई लव यू मेरी जान बहुत ज़्यादा और अगर बड़े लोगों को थोड़ा सा टाइम मिल जाए तो कॉल या टेक्स्ट ज़रूर कर देना ओके क्योंकि
Hello, Akansha. Wish you a very happy birthday. This is a very special birthday for you because turning 18 has a lot of implications socially as well as in other aspects. You will now have the right to take your own decisions. But as uncle and auntie, we send our blessings and wishes because we want to see you come out of with flying colors and you earn a lot of name and fame as a doctor. May God bless you and give you the strength to conquer all the difficulties in life which you may face sometimes. And all the best.
या हैप्पी बर्थडे आकांक्षा छोटी सी प्यारी सी बिटिया और अंश आरव के साथ खेलती हुई लड़ती हुई आ रही है। हम पेरेंट्स वेट कर रहे, मैं पापा और मम्मी वेट कर रहे स्कूल से छोड़ते समय और आते समय, and we see three of them together. So this is a very divine friendship that you all three are having, and even we are also happy that we also got the friends because of you three people. So yeah, very happy birthday again. This is a very crucial 18th birthday when you are going to take, as uncle says, that you're going to take the decisions alone, sitting maybe far or maybe together also. But yeah, we are all are assured that you will be a very good doctor, humble doctor, and you get the fame and everything in your life, and you remain that same Chulbuli Akanksha to our family. Thank you so much and enjoy your day and love yourself. Bye bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, my dear Akansha. I hope you enjoy your day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। तुमने तो एक बहुत बड़ा काम किया है कि एक साल में दो एग्जाम पास किए और दोनों में नंबर बहुत अच्छे आए। तुमने मम्मी पापा और दादाजी का नाम रोशन किया है और तुम्हारा फ्यूचर जैसे आसमान में तारे चमकिए हैं और ऐसे ही तुम्हारे जीवन में हमेशा रोशनी छाई रहेगी। खुश रहो बेटा।
डियर आकांक्षा, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आप हमेशा खुश रहो, हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो। भगवान आपको हमेशा हंसते मुस्कुराते रखे, ऐसी हमारे दिल से दुआ है।
डियर आकांक्षा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। आपका जन्मदिन अच्छा रहे, दुआ रहे हमारा दिल से।
हाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे आकांक्षा, वी लव यू।
Happy birthday, dear Akansha. Wishing you a great year ahead.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आकांक्षा।
हम कभी बड़ौदा में मिलते हैं। God bless you, dear. Be happy always.
Happy 18th birthday, Akanksha. Transforming to adulthood. Very, very good wishes for your career, medical profession, as well as very best in your new life now.
And you are the youngest adult, as your mother would say, and soon to be a doctor.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi Akanksha, wish you a very very happy birthday from all of us and special wishes from heaven and a lot of sloppy wet kisses from him. You have already made us very very proud and you're a very hardworking, sincere, polite and a compassionate person. Be the same you are. Hope this year brings the very best for you. All the very best and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Akanksha Didi. Happy birthday. Sloppy kisses for you.
Hey Akansha, happy 18th birthday. Have the best day ever. So exciting that this is your first one at college and not at home. Make the most of today and this year and see you very soon.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी। है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे